Hello, everyone. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. I can see that you've been waiting, uh, but thank you so much. I really appreciate the fact that you're here. I've been busy all day, so I couldn't do the daytime session. So, but I'm so happy you guys are here right now. So we can get to today's session started. It's nice to have you here. Um, so there's one request I quickly have that immediately you guys come in, please go ahead and click the like button so that we can have. Please go ahead and click the like button like immediately so that we can have. So YouTube can recommend the video, the live to the rest of our friends. Thank you so much for joining. Hey, hey, Mironi, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Miss Cherry Coco, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, thank you, and thank you so much for liking too. I can see that you've liked the video, so thank you so much for liking it also. Thank you very much. Thanks for liking the video. I really appreciate that. Yes, yes, thank you very much, Maroni. That's so nice. That's very, very nice. I should have taken this trade. This is a beautiful one. Well, I'm trying to clear this. I'm trying to clear this balance so that I can load a fresh balance. Oh, I was meant to go with the sellers. Uh, I was meant to go with the sellers so that we can lose the so that we can lose the balance. But no problem. No problem. We'll start today by talking about the setup because I want to make sure that the every time we come live like that, I talk about the setup. You know, it's very important that we always talk about the setup, regardless of either we have new people because we always have new people. And thank you so much, guys. If you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. You can hear it in my voice that I'm a little tired today. The projects are beginning to come in, so because of that, hey, hey, Sonny G, GTR, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great. How was your day? I hope your day was fine. It's so nice to be here with you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Now let's try and lose this balance because yes, yes, yes. Sanjay TR. Thank you so much for joining. Miss Cherry Coco, yeah. Yep. Do sound. Sorry, I couldn't hear you very. I couldn't read your message. You said something sounds so I didn't see the rest of the message. Please resend it, or you can send a dot. So we should be able to lose this balance. I want us to lose it so that we can load. But while we are losing the balance, let's quickly talk about today's setup. So today's setup, we have the chart type to be candlestick, and I've enabled this timer. Yep. You do sound tired. Yes, I do actually. But no worries. That's not going to be an excuse. We are going to take good trades, and we cannot say because we are tired we won't come to the market. Yes, we must always come to the market. We must always come online because see, there are lots of people that need this knowledge, and because there are a lot of fake people out there. I was talking to one of us today, when one of the students, so when the class, and he was telling me about how many people he has encountered. So most of them are scammers. You understand, they give false promises and all that. It's very, very heartbreaking when you hear these stories. You understand, because I really wish those people, I really wish those people had met me earlier. They probably won't fall into all these traps. You understand? Like the other day too, there's one of us. He'll probably join us soon. I know he will join us very soon. He You understand? He met a particular signal channel, and he had about $150. Yes, thank you very much. So you can imagine he had about $150 and he lost all the money down to $10. Can you imagine? Now, after he started attending our class, he was able to build that $10 up to $50. And after that, he was still able to build higher and higher again, on top of what he has made. So that tells you that we're doing the Lord's work here right now. You understand? So what we are doing is very important, and I understand it. So we have to always show up, regardless of if we are tired or not. You understand? So that's exactly how it is. So thank you so much for coming, guys. I really appreciate. Please go ahead and click the like button. See, anytime you click the like button, YouTube sends the video to the rest of our friends. You understand? And remember what I just said. Most of our friends, they need this information. You understand? We cannot just allow them to just go astray like that. We have to educate them, because they are still going to do it one way or the other. So we better just give them the right tools, the right information, the right knowledge that they need. You understand? Instead of like falling into the hands of all these signal channels or copy trading channel that would still make them lose. But if they understand the fact that they can do it by themselves, it's really going to help them. You understand? Oh my God, we didn't lose this money. I thought we would lose it. You know what? Let me go with the sellers this time around. I'm expecting a green candle, but we are going with the sellers so that we can lose the balance. You can imagine now you're trying to lose balance, but it just keeps increasing. It's somehow sometimes. Hey, Gemworld. Yes, Gemworld, welcome. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, everybody, Gemworld is in the house. Like I always say, Gemworld is the OG of this channel. So anytime she shows up, you understand. We have to just recognize. So thank you, Gemworld, for being one of our very big supporters. You understand. Anytime she comes, I'm always recognizing. Okay, we will finally lose this balance now. I wanted to lose it so that we can have you see we have a gap up now. I think the market is trying to make a red green pattern. But I'm not going to go with the sellers now, because that's like the only reason I have. Hey, J5T3P, thank you so much for joining. Yes, Gemworld, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, Gemworld. You understand? If you want to be like Gemworld, you understand, and you want to support the channel, go ahead and make use of the super chat, the super thanks. Do you pay to get the money on demo trade? No, you don't need to pay to get the money on demo trade. It's if you want to load money on demo trade, just click top up this button. You click the balance to show top up. So click top up, and whatever amount you see, you can add 10, you can add 20, you can add 1,000. It doesn't matter. It will add it to the demo this thing. So that's how to load it. We seem to have this red green pattern action going on in the markets. Let's see if we can take part of it. So I've not really analyzed this market, but I'm just observing that red green pattern thing. Let's go down to the lower time frame and check this demand area. We may have. Let me go with buyers one more time. Oh, what did I? Oh, did I go with 100? No, no, no. Oh, come on. I thought I typed 12.5 just now. Oh my God. Oh yes, 1 second. Oh, do we have 1 second? I think it's 5 seconds. Okay, it's 5 seconds to lose money quickly. Sincerely, I've not really thought about that. Okay, let's load the normal amount we're meant to load, and this time around, Okay, I was talking about the setup quickly. Here we are. So here now we have okay, we have candlesticks. The chart type is candlesticks, and we've enabled this timer. We disabled this auto scroll thing. So the time frame is going to be M1. I mean, each candle is M1. Then in the trade time here we have M1. We're using the flag mode. This is the normal mode, like the timer mode, and this is the flag mode. So we're using the flag mode, and we make sure that this second hand is on 0. It's very important that this second hand is on 0, or else your trade will not close when it's meant to close. So we need to be aware of that. If we have a gap down, we should be able to go with buyers now. Do we? No. But the okay, we may still have the sellers coming, so let them just do their thing. We'll find another market that is okay. Hey Akinwumi, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you are feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Our people are joining now. That's good. Yes, thank you so much. It's because you guys clicked the like button. So now, you guys are just joining. Please help me click the like button right now so that YouTube can recommend it to more of our people. Yeah, we have a lot of people all over the world, all our friends. You understand? So the more you click the like button, the more YouTube recommends it to them. You understand? And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. You understand? There's so much value on this channel. I'm just taking our time. We're just taking our time right now to find a very good market and to set up properly. Yes, I make huge profits yesterday from 10 to 50. You see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You see, the testimony has begin. They are beginning to roll in now. Yeah, thank you so much, Akiyumi, for that. You see, we're beginning to make 5x. Can you imagine 5x? It means that if you had started with 100, you're probably going to be at 500 right now. This is the reason why we have to show up. Miss Cherry Coco was saying the other time that you sound tired. I said yes, I'm actually tired right now. I've been busy all day. But the thing there is that we have to always show up. Why? Because we know that we have each other. So we have to show up for each other regardless. Thank you so much for that. Yes, this is amazing. This is amazing. 5x. Can you imagine? He made 5x today. If you had started with 1,000, that would have been $5,000. If you had started with 100, that would have been $500. That's amazing. Yes, that's amazing. I'm so glad for that. I'm very, very happy. That's exactly what we're talking about. You understand? Guys, please go ahead and click the like button. Just click the like button. You understand? We need all our friends to join in, okay? This is gonna be a talk breakout. This is gonna be a talk breakout. We can take this trade if this momentum doesn't continue like this, and we have a common point of rejection down here. You see, the more we train each other, the more we show up for each other like this, everybody's gonna be all right. So the more you open your heart to learn, you understand, and this is exactly what I've always been talking about. You understand? So the knowledge is very important. It's more important than chasing money. Yes, it is because of money you are doing it, but at the same time, the knowledge is very important because immediately you are able to get it. The money is going to be a side effect. You understand? The money is always a side effect. It's not the main thing we need to focus on. So thank you so much for that, Akimomi. That's amazing. Yes, I'm so glad about that. Yes. So as I was saying before, you understand, if you want to be like Gem World and you want to support the channel, please go ahead and make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. And you can also consider our YouTube membership. Okay. So thank you so much for doing that. That's going to be amazing. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate doing that. Thanks so much. You understand? Okay. This was another. Hey, YT, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, YT used to be He's actually one of our legacy members. Actually, you understand? Yes, because he's been one of our from way back. You understand? So I'm really pumped to have him in the house right now. Yeah, I was just chatting with him this afternoon. You understand? And I'm so glad he's here right now. So thank you so much for joining, Whitey. You understand? Once you see one way or the other, I'm going to be introducing everybody to everybody like that, because we're a big community. You understand? So we should know each other one way or the other. We should get to know each other like that. It's very nice. You understand? Apart from the fact that we're learning together, we're also connecting. So it makes so much sense. You understand? Let me see this quickly. Thank you so much, Miss Cherry Coco. That's very, very thoughtful of you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, so you heard out. Please go ahead and click the like button. You understand? So that the rest of our friends can join. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. We're gonna be hanging here for a while today. So don't worry about it. We'll be fine. So we're not gonna rush. We're gonna take our time with the market this time around, like today. You understand? We are not in the mood to rush at all. I'm gonna go with the buyers after this. Either we have a either we have a red candle or a green candle. I'm going with the buyers. I've seen the reversal. There's a common point of rejection down here. And actually, if I had drawn it like this, the common point of rejection would have kicked in. Hey, Aslam, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry, I didn't see your name very well, but I'm going with the buyers now. Now, I could have drawn this properly, so I guess that's the reason why we missed this common point of rejection, but it's still fine though. I'm still going to go with the buyers again. If it comes to this common point of rejection, I'm going with buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to still push the price up. Yes, Aslam Tim, it's nice to have you here. Yes, this is my demo account. Yes, my demo account. This is a demo account we used to explain to each other, like for demonstration. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you very much for joining. Okay, what are the sellers trying to do? We have buyers here now. We should have enough buy orders to push the price up. That's good. That's good. Let me see that last. I think we won that last trade. Yes, we won that last trade. That's good. Now, somebody will wonder, like, why did I take this trade? And I'll tell you why. So you see, this is a weak momentum. Yes. Remember I told you that, you shouldn't trade against the momentum. But when you see a weak momentum, in a way, if you have enough reason, you can actually trade against it. Yes, exactly. That's exactly. I'm glad Whitey asked that question. Funny enough, I was already answering the question. But this is it. You see, this momentum is a weak momentum. And how do you know a weak momentum? You always see buyers activity inside. Look at all these weeks up and down. They are buyers activity. Like it's made of both buyers and sellers activity. Yes, I do. Ethan, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, I provide private lessons. Um, okay, I will answer you later, very soon. Yes, Ethan, I provide private lesson, and so if you want my private lessons, you want me to teach you one on one, like privately, please join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand now? To join the Barter-Pro mentorship, there's a link in the description below. It's a Telegram channel link. Hey Costa, it's nice to have you here. 292. Thank you so much for joining. You're new here. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So I have a Telegram channel link in the description below. Click on the Telegram channel link and send me a message once you are in Telegram. You understand? If you want to send me a message, you can just click the Barter-Pro mentorship tag. It's always there under all this thing. You understand? All my messages, all my announcements, I always put it there. So if you want to see Barter-Pro mentorship in Telegram channel, click on it to bring you to my private chat room, so we can actually discuss about your mentorship. We do private mentorship. Okay. So just go ahead, join the click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. Okay. Now after this, oh, that's good. Yes, yes, you're very correct. So the thing there is, so if you want to join, yes, yes. So this is what's gonna happen. It's a name. This is what we're gonna do. You see, after this class, now after this class, I'll be in Telegram channel. So you can send me a message now. Like click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. Immediately I see your message after this class, I'm going to reply you. So usually after the class, I'll be in the Telegram channel. I'll be on the Telegram channel for like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, just answering, answering your messages, taking your messages, trying to like give people a lot of information about the mentorship and all that. You understand? Just hanging out with people, with all our people a little bit. You understand? Costa, it's nice to have you here. Do you do FBS? I don't know what FBS is. You understand? So maybe you may need to like spell it out. You understand? Because FBS probably means something else here in my currently where I am. So just click the Telegram channel link and send me a message, okay? So once I see your message, I'm going to reply. I'm going to reply tonight. So just make sure you send the message after right now. After now, I'm going to the Telegram channel tools. So thank you so much for that beautiful question. Now, guys, if you're new here and you don't have an account yet, FBS means forex, not binary. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So this is binary options trading. FBS deals with several assets. Yeah, this one deals with several assets too. Like if you check now, we have a lot of assets here. This cryptocurrency. This is commodities. We have stocks. Then we have indices. You understand? They have like several markets. You can see, and we have the like traditional markets, like, and you have the OTC markets too. So you have OTC and non-OTC markets. They're all here. You understand? But the thing there is, I'm just focusing on taking the trades. If you really want to know more about binary options trading and you don't have an account here, the first thing you need to do is go to in the description below. There's a broker link, the broker we're currently using. The platform link is in the description. Click that broker link, it will take you to the platform. So just register with your email basically. You understand? And do, maybe, I think there's a verification you do. So once you are done doing that, come back to this channel. Do you know how to use MACD indicator? I don't use indicators, but I actually know how to use them. But I don't use indicators. What we use here is pure candlestick psychology. You understand? That is strategy we use basically. You understand? So as I was saying, so if you are new here, click the broker link and it will take you to the platform. Register for an account. They will give you a free demo account. It's free, guys. Don't pay money to anything. Don't load money. Just take your free accounts and come back to this channel. You understand? Now in this channel, I have a playlist for all the beginners. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. Yes. So all you need to do So all you need to do is click on that playlist. The playlist is called Binary Option for Beginners. And once you click on that, watch all the videos inside, all the introductory information you need, the basic information, you get it there. You understand? Jez, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. What strategy are you using? It's called candlestick psychology. There's a lot of concepts under candlestick psychology. It's more like when you are reading the candlesticks basically. You understand? You can see no indicators. Though I have indicators I use actually. You understand? Yeah, this pocket option. You're very correct, Costa. You understand? So I don't use indicators. I use pure candlestick psychology. You understand? That is the major this thing we're using. Look at this now. Let me show you something quickly. Now, guys, if you want me to, like, if you're interested in this one-on-one mentorship, you understand that if that's what you really really want, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join is in the description below. You understand? It's free. Hey, Agbatutumu Diaj. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so sorry. I butchered that name, I know. But please, okay, what is the name of the broker? The broker is called Pocket Option. Yes, Pocket Option. You're very correct. So the broker link is in the description below. So click on the broker link. It will take you straight to the platform. You can register for a free account. Guys, I always say this, I always say it twice so that you can hear it very clearly. It is a free account. You don't need to load any money. Just get the free account. They'll give you a demo account. You come back here, then you start to learn. Don't worry about loading any money right now. Hey, Pierre, it's nice to have you here. What's it? Thank you so much for joining. So don't load any money yet, please. The knowledge is more important than you loading money. You understand? Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Listen to me. I know a lot of you will still go ahead and load the money. You understand? But if you listen to what I'm saying, it will save you a lot. Okay? It's going to save you a lot of most of the mistake you're about to make. I've made it 3 years ago. You understand? Yes, we use price action strategy. Yes, maybe that will be easy for them to understand. Yeah, we use price action, we use QM, we use doji breaks, we use trend line breaks. You know, all these things together is what we call candlestick psychology. You understand? That's what we use basically. Okay, fine. Now, guys, look at this. Now we have this trend line, and how do we come about this trend line? Because we have all the sellers entry. Look at this. The sellers came in here. Yes, I know you don't understand. Probably are you a beginner? If you're a beginner, listen to me. If you're a beginner, listen to me. I have a playlist on the channel. Go and watch that playlist. It will help you understand. I want to know to read candlesticks. You will trust me. If you hang around enough. Like if you hang around this channel enough, you know everything you want to know. All your questions will be answered, but you need to hang around. That's the only way to be able to actually understand. So I have a playlist for all the beginners, especially if you are new to binary options trading. It's called Binary Option for Beginners. Hey Mojid, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, Pale. So what I'm saying is watch that binary option for beginners. Thank you so much, Pale. I really appreciate that. Go ahead, please. Yes, guys, go ahead and subscribe, please. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you are new here, click the subscribe button. There's so much value on this channel. You will be surprised. Somebody just told me before you guys came now. Somebody just put it. One of us here, I think he's still around. He said he made 5x today. 5x. 5x. I remember also, one of us also made 12x, like 12 times the amount in their balance today. The testimonies are beginning to come in. The other day too, another person made 5x. The other time too, another person told me he made $300 profits. You understand? See, you guys can do this if you can learn. It's exactly what I'm saying. You understand? See, you need to invest in learning first. The knowledge is important. So don't focus on the money when you start. Focus on the knowledge, because that money is a side effect. It will happen, but you need to know first. You understand? You have to learn first. Be patient. Don't rush. Don't be in a hurry to make quick buck. No, don't do that. You can make money for life. You understand? But you just have to calm down and do it the right way. And you see, the right way is what I'm teaching you guys right now. You understand? There's a whole lot of people. There's a whole lot of people who are intentionally misinforming people just to swindle them. You understand? I'm not going to do that. Right now, what I'm telling you is what you guys should do. Go ahead, click that broker link, get an account, come back here, watch banner option for beginners. Watch it. All the 12 videos I put there for you. Watch it. David, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. You understand? It's nice to have you here. So what I'm saying is, go ahead. You need to get the knowledge first. You understand? When you get the knowledge, then the profitability is going to happen with time. You understand? So thank you so much for joining, guys. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. So go ahead and click the subscribe button. Now, if you want a one-on-one mentorship, If you want a one-on-one mentorship with me, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join Pia is very funny. Now, the link to join is in the description below, the Telegram channel link. Click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. Once you send me a message, we will discuss about your mentorship. You know, so how much it's going to be, what the schedule is going to be, everything. You get all the information, okay? So let's get back to the video, to the charts. Now, look at this now. We have a break of structure here. Look at this. Let's mark this quickly, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. No, it's not. It's not free. No, it's not free. This is the free version you are getting now. You understand? So, Pierre, if you are looking for quick stuff, you won't find it here. Trust me, you won't. But if you want to learn, then you will be able to learn. So let's get back to the charts quickly. So over here right now, we have this break of structure. You see, anytime you see a breakout like this, I can tell you there's a decision point somewhere. And how do you know decision point? Let me show you quickly. Look at this engulf down here. This is a demand area where it is this is the last engulf that preceded the breakout. So that tells you that this engulf is very important in the market. It is very important. Now, if price comes back down to retest that level, if price comes back down, I'm not looking, just saying. Okay, I get you. Pale, I get you. So what I'm saying is now, if we go to lower time frame, we can find the exact decision points, like the exact area they made the decision to break this level. So we're currently in M1. Let's check S30. You can see the only entry we found so far is this same demand area. So let's check S15 again. Okay, fine. Look at this. This is the decision point. We found it now. You see this engulf area, that engulf, that's where the decision point is. If price comes back to this engulf now, if price comes back to this area, we're going to go with the buyers. Now, I'll tell you what will happen or what should happen. You see, immediately price enters this area, I'm expecting that the price will pull back up and will give us a winning trade. That is exactly what I'm expecting. Yes, exactly. So here we go. Let me mark this place as a lower time frame entry. I feel like checking S10 though. Let me check S10 to see. Okay, fine. You see, we can fine tune that entry too. Okay, you can see a fair value gap there. That's good. You see, we have some experts in the house too. They are confirming it. That's very good. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Agba. Sorry, I couldn't read your name properly. Now, price is coming back to this area, but it's coming down with a very strong momentum. You can see we have another entry here. Immediately enters this place. I'm taking the trade. So we'll go with the buyers. No hesitation, just take the trade. It's as simple as that. Now, either we lose this trade or not. You understand? It is a good trade. Why? Because we have all the confirmations. We have a break of structure and we have a decision point, and under it we have a demand area where you have the buyers. Now look at this now. This pattern now is called 3 bar down. I know I explained 3 bar down yesterday, day before yesterday. For 3 days now I've been explaining what a 3 bar down pattern is. You understand? Hey, fee for form, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Sorry, I couldn't read that name properly, so sorry. I couldn't read your name properly. But I know you know I'm talking about you, so thank you so much for joining. Here you go. So we have a 3 bar up pattern here. Now, any 3 bar down pattern, I mean, anytime you have a 3 bar down pattern, it's most likely you're most likely going to have a green candle after it. Now you can see the green candle happening already. Oh, there are so many messages coming in. I need to remove some of this so that I can read. Pale. Okay. So I'm waiting for this entry right now. Let's wait for it. Yes, I'm aware that some of you have suffered a lot in the hands of scammers. So if there are certain hey Helvin, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. We have a lot of new friends around. So guys, please let me cheer them up. They need that love and and in-house sharing. You understand? But it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Now I'm waiting for this price to come down into this place. Yes, thank you so much. We're all our new friends. Daudu, Samuel, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Now, you see, there's something I'm suspecting that might happen here. We have one we have one demand area. Let me remove some of this. We have a demand area up here. Oh, let me check the message quickly. Oh, that message could go. Okay. So we have a supply area up here. This is a supply area. Yes, I am Nigerian. Odunzi Emmanuel. Yes, I'm Nigerian. Proudly Nigerian, actually. I'm one of those people that make Nigeria proud. So I'm very proud about that. So thank you so much for joining. I'm waiting for price to come into this entry. We're going to take a very good trade. Now, let's see if there's other thing we can combine. Yes, I've seen some other things we can combine. Well, let me read your message quickly. I'm looking for Nigerian community. No, this is a worldwide community. We have friends from all over the place. I'm telling you, we have friends from America. There was one guy the other day. He was from Russia. You understand? Kenya. We have one guy from South Africa. We are all over the place. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's nice to have you here from Delta. Thank you so much. And I couldn't pronounce that name, but you know I'm talking about you. So thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you coming. Thank you very much. If price doesn't come here, no problem. We'll just mark this as a favorite. Let's look for another market. But I'll keep an eye on that. I'll keep an eye on that market so that we don't. Yes, we have another opportunity here, but I don't know how long it will take before my market to come down here. Turi Kumwe Chris. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. From Rwanda. Oh, thank you so much. The reversing is crazy like demand. Yes, Stanley. Is that Stanley? I thought I read Stanley like that. Now you see, we may have a double top here. I mean, and the sellers may be like push to the downside aggressively. I'm aware of that. You understand? So if I see that the sellers are aggressive, I'll probably just reduce the amount. But we are still going to take this trade because this is a very good trade to take actually. So if they are very aggressive, I'll reduce the amounts. But for now, let's watch because we have this rejection from this supply area. So the sellers may decide to just push to the downside aggressively. Anytime market keeps rejecting like this and keeps you see we are making lower highs. Oh, these are all the highs, but they are lower than previous. So that tells you that the sellers are gradually chipping into the market. They are overwhelming the buyers now. Yeah, the selling momentum is loading. You are very correct. Yes. Stanley, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, we have most of our friends here. You understand? Guys, please keep clicking the like button. I really want you to click the like button. You understand? It's not bad if you have all our friends joining at once. Hey, Joseph, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry, I couldn't read your message properly, but I'm trying to concentrate on taking this trade. Immediately enters that distance. Yes, we take the trade now. I'm expecting a pullback to the upside. Let me take one more inside that demand area. If it will give us the entry. Sorry, I can't read your message now, but I'll take another one right on the round number here. So I'm expecting a pullback. If it doesn't pull back, it's fine. So let's see. So the pullback did not happen. There's no problem. It didn't pull back enough actually, but it pulled back just a little bit. We may have the buyers coming, but I will not take a trade right now. What I would do is I'm going to wait for price to come to this buyer's entry. We have a buyer's entry down here. So if price closes under this buyer's entry, we can go with the buyers. Yes, we have a buyer's entry here. So let's revert back to 12.5%. So just like I said it before, we probably lost this trade because of this double top here. Anytime you have a double top like that, it summons the sellers in the market that it's time to sell. Anytime you have a double bottom, it summons the buyers that it's time to buy. But you see right now, we are making exhaustion candles. You understand? So I need just one more confirmation to take this trade. If I don't see that confirmation, I'm not going with the buyers. Not yet. We may still have a green candle, but not yet. Not yet. You understand? If I didn't had the gap down, I'll consider this as a this thing. But if price comes back into this previous area, I can go with the sellers. If it comes back into this breakout area, I can go with the buyers. If it doesn't, then no problem. We will wait. We still have a third breakout here. We can take the trade. Yeah, the buyers are very weak there. I can see the buyers are very weak. But if they come back to this trend line, we will have an opportunity. Let me quickly check something, lower time frame, and see if we have an entry. The buyers are very weak. Okay, the entry is up here. The entry is somewhere up here. Let me check S5. Yes, I've seen the entry in S10. You see, when you see an entry like this, you mark the whole candle. When you see an inverted hammerhead entry like this, if it's a doji, you mark the whole candle. If it's an inverted head candle, you mark the whole candle. You understand? Sorry, I can't read that message. I'm coming. Let me check. Buyers are trying to top the market. Yes, they will just try, but they are kind of weak. They have not gotten to the area where you have a lot of buyers. You see down here. Let me show you where the buyers are. The buyers are down here. They are inside this area. This is where the buyers are. This is where the buyers are. Yeah, it's a liquidity sweep. You're very correct. And I should have known better though, because this is a liquidity build up. But I wasn't expecting it to be that aggressive. Yeah, I expected the entries to like push it back a little bit, but they didn't. But it's fine. We still have another entry up here. We can take the trade. Now we are making this evening star pattern right now, and if it gives us a what they call it, yeah, that. Oh, okay, YT. I thought you probably know what a liquidity sweep is. Okay, I'll tell you. I will explain it. Amen. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So now we can go with the buyers now, especially if you have a gap down. Let me see if we have a gap down. That would be nice. 3, 2, 1. Please give us a gap down. Yes, we have a gap down. If it goes down on this round number, under this round number again, I'll take one more with the buyers. I'm expecting the buyers to come in now. Oh, that's liquidity sweep is an advanced term, and I really can't explain it right now because it will distract us from everything we are doing now. So don't worry, I'm going to maybe explain it in a little way. So let's see if the buyers will come in now. I'm expecting the buyers to come in now. Let's see if they'll step up to the plate and give us a green candle. Though they are trying, you can see that they are trying. Yes, that's good. That's good. Now let me explain this trade quickly because somebody might be wondering, why did I go with the buyers? I will explain. Initially, hey, Daudu, it's nice to Daudu Samuel, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, I remember you now. It's an area of support. You're very correct. Also, it's a demand area. You see, a demand area is where you have the buyers. Now, let me show you the price, the past area. So, if you don't understand what support and resistance is, or what demand and supply is, don't worry. I have a playlist. I have a playlist in the channel that can explain all these things to you. See, that binary option for beginners, you need to go and watch it first. You understand? You see, yesterday I was catering to all the new people. If you were here, you probably will understand some of these things I'm talking about. But right now, I'm trying to move as fast as possible. You understand? Austin, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So I'm trying to move as fast as possible with all our friends, you understand, who are advanced in the market too. I don't want them to feel left out, you understand. But you see, so that you can catch up easily, go to the playlist section of this channel. Binary option for beginners, I have it there. It's there for you. I put 16 videos together for you. You understand? Watch all those videos. If you don't have an account yet, the broker link is in the description below. I've tagged the broker link. Click on the broker link to take you to the platform. You understand? You can register for your own account. You understand? Like, for it's free of charge. They'll just give you a demo account that you can use to practice. You understand? So now, once you have your account, come back and come and watch that video, the playlist. Watch the whole playlist, all the 16 videos there. Watch it. You understand? It's going to help you. Open-minded. It's nice to have you here. You have a question about what? Please resend the message or just send me a dot. Let me read your message quickly. So now, for all the seasoned traders in the house, let me quickly help you a little bit. If you want to watch all my live trades, because I know some seasoned people like you're not interested in demo, you just want to watch the live trades. This is what you do. I have a playlist section. It's called live trade session. Live trade session. Click on that playlist. I have about 100 videos there. Knock yourself out. You see all the strategies I'm using here, all the QM strategy, all the common point of rejection, all the concepts, all the everything together. I've explained it in detail. You understand? In that playlist. Okay, blue 100 promo give an extra 100%. Yes. Now let me quickly talk about promo because you are talking about promotions now. You see, the promotions give you 100% in your balance, but there's a string attached to it. I personally will not advise you to use it. Yes. Now, there are certain conditions whereby you would use it. You understand? Like if you are loading the money in your account and you feel okay, you you feel like you don't need to withdraw it anytime soon. Fine, because they will tell you that your turnover has to be, I think, 500x or 100x or 1000x. I can't remember exactly because I don't use it that much. So they will tell you that it has to be a multiple, you understand, of your balance. So if at the end of the day you don't meet that this thing, if you want to withdraw your money, they're going to remove half of it, half of what you made. You understand? So personally, I don't advise people to use it. You get? I don't advise people to use it at all. You understand? Unless you don't want to. Oh, we can go with buyers. Let me go with small amounts. Let's go with the buyers. I just clicked this thing. I expected it. I clicked this thing since. So you understand? See, so I was explaining why I went with the buyers the other time. But let me quickly show you why I entered with the buyers. Now you see here we have a demand area. You understand? And anytime you have a demand area, that's where the buyers are. You see, there's a reason why I reduced the amount I took the trade here. I just took small amounts. Number one, I'd not really looked into the market because I've been explaining since. Then immediately I saw it. I saw this pattern and I saw this. Hey Elliot, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Wow, it's nice to have you here. Thank you very much. So now immediately price comes into this area. Number one, you see these three pattern, this green, red pattern. I mean this candle that looks like cross. Green, red. You understand? This pattern is called evening star pattern. Now it's a small one right now, but usually evening star patterns give us retracement. And what do I mean by retracement? After like giving us evening star pattern like this, you can have a green candle. But you see, it is the buyers that will give us that green candle, and we are currently in the buyers area, in the demand zone. You understand? That is the reason why I went with the buyers. You understand? When you have two and when you have three or more reasons to go with it's either the buyers or the sellers, you take the trade. You know why? Traders don't think in certainty. Like we don't think in 100%. Like okay, we have to be sure before we do. No, we don't. What we do is we calculate probabilities, and we only take the highest, like, high probability trades. So if we see that, look at this now. If I look at this market and I see that the probability of the sellers is higher than the probability of the buyers, I'm going with the sellers. You understand? If I see that okay, the probability of the buyers is higher than the sellers, then I'm going with the buyers. It's as simple as that. But until you are able to make yes. Oh, you see, yes, there's a QM there. There's a QM here, but it's very small QM. I don't think I'm gonna trade the QM. It's very ugly. So the thing there is, if the probability of the buyers, you understand, is on the high side, you go with the buyers. Now, let's look at another market that we've not charted at all. Okay, I think I was trying to chart this one the other time, but you see the distance between where the market is right now and where the entries might be. Oh, sorry, Whitey. I saw. For me, I love QM so much. I know you love QM. You know, we've been me and you've been talking about QM for some time now. So I know you love QM. Now let's chat to this market. The market is currently in a range right now down here. I don't want to take any trade here because we don't know if it's going to like push to the downside or upside. But we're ranging right now. I can see. You know what? Let me mark some things here. This is actually not the place I want to mark. But let's mark this common point of rejections. We have common point of rejections here. Let me mark this one, and I'll mark this one too. No, this ranging market might be done already before we even got here, because they're already giving us these strong bullish candles. Look at this. We have a supply area up here where you have the sellers. Though it's not a fresh supply area. It's not a fresh supply area, so we need to have that in mind. Look at this. So let me mark it quickly. You see, anytime you have a supply area, the sellers are always there to respond to the markets. But you see, this bullish push to the upside. You understand? Let's check the lower time frame. I really don't want to take this trade. But let's just see if we have an entry. Okay, there's an entry there. We can manage to take this trade with small amounts. Yes, with small amounts. Because you see, this market may break to the upside as very fast. Because anytime you see market like this ranging and they are making some kind of bullish movements from the downside, they may intentionally break to the upside. Let me check your message. No, you don't just buy like that. You need to buy when you have enough reasons to. You understand? If you click buy, okay. I understand. I understand that. Yeah, you think yeah the candles are really solid. Look at this. If you had bought here now, it would have gotten to this supply area and pushed the price down. It will give you a losing trade. Hey, super! It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. 512. Okay, 5142. Sorry, what does that mean? Yes, it won't understand. Thank you. Hey, Kata J, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, Supermax, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, you don't click anyhow. Thank you. You understand? You don't click anyhow. You analyze the market, then you take decisions based on what they call it, based on high probability. You understand? You calculate the probability of the market before you even take the trade. Let me remove this charger so that it's disturbing me. Okay. So now you've marked, see, we marked the seller's entry. We have another seller's entry here. Look at this. This is how you mark your trades. And we have a downtrend already. Thank you, Mujid. I really appreciate. Now, you see, the part I really wanted to mark is this place. So let me leave that place for now because the market is still trying to figure itself out. So here we go. This is it. This is it. Look at this. You see, you have this area where the market has rejected a few times. Okay, Supermax. Yes, look at this area now. We have an area where it's an area of support. It has supported the market for a while, but eventually they broke this level. Look at this. They broke it with this bully bearish candles. But fine, there are some things we can mark. Like we have some areas where we can pinpoint. The first area we see here is supply area here. We will mark it. Let's mark this place. You see, this supply area is very important to the market. So let's mark it. Why is it important? I will explain to you. It's important because that is the last engulf before the break. Before breaking this level, this is the last engulf. And you see, anytime price comes back into this engulf now, they are going to have the market will have to retrace. Let me put it that way. The sellers here will respond to the market. So the first thing we need to do is what we've done. The second thing is to go to lower time frame, regardless of how small it looks. You understand? We need to go to lower time frame to find a better entry. Look at it. This is the better entry now. And you see the better entry is very close to where the supply area is, and it's a doji. So we'll mark it. See, anytime you see an entry that looks like a doji, it's a very strong entry because doji candles are very strong candles. You understand? You don't just make doji candles happen in the market when you have the buyers and sellers at the same strength. Like they are both strong at the same time, and nobody's going to push anybody back. So they just decided that okay, fine, we're going to stay at the middle like that. Hey, Kelvin, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I love how you analyze the chat. Oh, sorry, I couldn't read everything. Yeah, but thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. So look at this now. You see this area, this is where the high probability trade for us is. So what do? We'll mark this place as a favorite. And I have a feeling that the price may break to the upside and come up here. Then we take the trade. And if price breaks to the downside and we are not able to take the trade, we're fine. Oh, wait, guys, we can go with the sellers here. We can go with the sellers here. Okay, you know what? Let's go with regular amounts. We can go with the sellers here. And I'll tell you why, but I need a confirmation. Just one confirmation, like gap up will be enough. And I'm going to wait for margin of safety. I'm not going to take the trade immediately. So price will come up a little bit, then I'll take the trade. Okay, good. So now I'm expecting a red candle. If it doesn't happen right now, if it goes up here, I'll take another one. I think the buyers have decided to break this level. Now, the reason why I took this trade, I'll tell you quickly. We have a market sequence of two green candles, one red, two green candles, one red. Now, I could have taken the trade up here, but I'm still expecting a red candle. So let's see how that happens. If you look through the market now, through this range, you'll see two green candles, one red, two green candles, one red. Now, if that does not happen, if they don't give us the red candle, there's an entry here. We can take the trade up here. Okay. Are you going to give us? Thank you. That's good. Now, we didn't have the you see what I'm talking about with margin of safety. We didn't have. Yeah, I told you I was not going to enter immediately. I will let it go up a little bit, then enter the market. I was waiting for it to go above this round number. Don't worry. When this thing moves away, this round number 2.04009,400. Oh, sorry. Hey, Paul, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Sorry, I couldn't read. You were asking something, but I couldn't read. You see, these messages come very fast and they disappear very fast. So sorry, I couldn't read your message. But thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. You can resend the message, okay? Now, let me see if I can go with the buyers, but I'm going to reduce the amount now. I'm going to reduce the amount now. If I let me reduce it more, the probability of the buyers is a little bit high, but I need. Okay, fine. Let's go with the buyers. If it goes under this round number again, I'll take one more. I'm expecting a green candle, but if that doesn't happen, I understand why it doesn't happen. You understand? Now, the reason why I went to the buyers is because you see this pattern is called an evening star. Yes, evening star pattern. Now, anytime you have evening star pattern, you can have a green candle after it. And why is it so? It's because look at this. If it was morning star pattern, you will have a red candle after it. If it's evening star pattern, now you see, evening star pattern strategy is just like 65% probability. You understand? Now, remember I told you that traders we think in probabilities. We don't think in 100% assurance. Hey TD, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. As I say, I don't understand your message, but thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. You understand? So as I was saying, you see, when you have evening star pattern, it usually the buyers always come in most of the time, like 65%. But what increased the probability of this trade was this gap down. See, I've been explaining gap down for the past 5 days. If you don't understand gap down, I'm not going to explain it now. What I'm going to say is that we have the past 5 days live sessions. You understand? I have it on the channel. Go back and watch it. You understand? You see, if you don't watch it, you understand, you may never really understand. I broke it down step by step. You understand? Precept upon precept. The way I would teach my students is the way I broke it down. I don't have the time right now, so I'm not going to do that. Watch, especially yesterday's video. If you can just watch it, yesterday's live, watch it. Just go and watch it. You understand? You would understand everything. You see that entry we marked, price pulled back from that entry. We can have another red candle now, but they gave us a gap down in favor of the buyers, so we cannot go with the sellers. This is this is morning star pattern now. This was evening star pattern, but now we have a morning star pattern. We should go with the sellers now for a red candle, but we have a gap down in favor of the buyers, so we cannot do that right now. We cannot do that right now. We may still have the red candle, but we cannot go with the sellers now, because you see, in the last 10 seconds, the buyers may just come in and push the price and give us a green candle, and that's it. You understand? So that's how a lot of people lose. And so you'll be wondering, like, but Barter-Pro said if we have morning star pattern, we can look at this now. It's happening. As I'm saying it's already happening. You get it? It's now. It's not because I know I'm reading the future. No, I don't. I'm just looking at the market, and I'm telling based on number one, my experience, and based on number two, you understand what all the concepts I've learnt, you understand, have helped me to understand about the markets. You get the gist. When you have a gap down, it's in favor of the buyers. When you have a gap up, it's in favor of the sellers. It's as simple as that. We had a gap down here. We came in with the buyers. We won. We have a gap down here again. The buyers came in again. You can see. Now, somebody will ask me, why didn't you go with the buyers when gap down is in favor of the buyers? Kataji, how are you? No, I'm not a prophet. I just said it right now that I don't predict the future. You understand? But now, based on all the concepts, you understand, all the concepts you've learned over time and the experience you have with the market, you will be able to tell what's happening. You understand? So let's check that. Hey, Azo, it's nice to have you here. Are you how you put the refund account safe? Okay, now guys, now Azo, I hope you are not a beginner. Please, if you're a beginner, don't load your account yet. But if you are not a beginner and you feel okay, you can actually go about, like, you are okay with the market, you can take trade. If you're a beginner as well, please hold on. If you don't have an account yet, click that broker link. It will take you to the platform. Get your own account first, a demo account. You understand? Now, come and practice first. Trust me. Just believe everything I'm saying. Follow it. It will help you. It will save you a lot of headache. It will save you a lot of heartache. Now, if you want to learn fast, because I know a lot of people don't have patience. If you want to learn fast, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. That's the fastest way you can learn. Normally, if it will take you 2 years to learn this, normally, with Barter-Pro mentorship, it will take you just 6 months. You understand? Of rigorous back-to-back everyday training. You get it. You understand it. So you won't have any problem at all. You understand? Now, you will still face your own challenges, but it will reduce your headache. It will save you money. Yes, it's going to. Somebody lost $74,000. He was telling us the other day. You understand? SAD is nice to have you here. Somebody lost $74,000. He was telling that he lost a lot of money. You understand? If he had joined Barter-Pro mentorship, he wouldn't have lost that much. I would never allow a student. I will never allow a student lose that kind of money. That's life-changing money right there. Instead, I would teach him to the point whereby he will be able to multiply that kind of money. Yes. That's the level of confidence I have in my work and my students. You understand? So please, if you want to learn fast, you don't have time, join Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join is in the description below. That Telegram channel link, click on it. Send me a message on Telegram. You see, after this class, I'll be on Telegram now. I'll be waiting. Or I know some messages are probably there right now waiting for me. I'll be there. So you can also send me a message. Let me reply you. You understand? We'll discuss about your mentorship, how much it's gonna be, what the schedule will be, like everything. We'll do that. Yes. You understand? I have that confidence in myself, and I have that confidence in anybody I train. You understand? So that's just how it is, basically. Now, let me address this one quickly before I take another trade. I know that some of you have been victims of all these bad actors out there. Yes, I feel sorry for you. You understand? But at the same time, you have an opportunity to turn it around now. Don't waste the opportunity, and don't be a doubting Thomas. No, you don't have time to do that. You don't have time to be a doubting Thomas now. No, you don't have. I don't know I'm talking like this, but I feel very passionate when I'm talking when I'm saying this. We have a fair value gap here, guys. All my fair value gap lovers, I know you are saying this, but sorry, I won't take the trade right now. You understand? So the thing there is, if you want to learn fast, you don't have patience. Join Barter-Pro mentorship. You will learn patience there. You understand? Because at the end of the day, it is still you. You understand? You are better off taking the book by the horn and learning it and understanding it for yourself and making sound decisions in the market than to outsource your knowledge to somebody else to be trading for you, and the person will still be losing your money. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't. You understand? So you know what? Let's just get back to the video. Because there's so much I want. See, guys, if you're here to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button right now. Now. Just click it. There's so much value on this channel. You understand? All the video on this channel, I put it there for you so that you can learn and understand. Hey, Matthew, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. We have a lot of friends here today. Thank you so much, guys. Please click the subscribe button. You understand? I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You are going to learn a lot here. You understand? So, okay. Okay, I think this market is okay. This one's. Let's check another market. We've not price market is coming up here. Hey, Dishan Dawson. It's nice to have you. Oh, bad quality. Oh, sorry. It's the network. I'm so sorry about it. There's really nothing I can do. But after a while, it will clear up. Okay. It always clears up after a while. I really apologize for the bad network. You see, very soon I'm working on something by God's grace. We're gonna have a very good network. You understand? We are gonna have a very consistent, very nice network. Please just be patient, okay? Hey, Kitchen Glory, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you guys, if you have any questions, put in the comment section and please click the subscribe button. Now, this is for all the OGs in the house or the aspiring OGs in the house. If you would like to, if you are gaining a lot of value from this and you would like to support the channel, please go ahead and make use of the. Okay, it's getting better now. That's good. Thank you. So, so please go ahead and make use of the super chats, the super thanks, and the super stickers. You understand? And you can also consider our YouTube membership. You understand? Claysley, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, the bread and butter, the bread and butter gang. I missed you yesterday, actually. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. I hope you're feeling great today. Yes, Claysley is the yes. Hey, Smooth Shell, it's nice to have you here. Oh, it's your first time. Thank you so much. Please, let me welcome Smooth Shell and all the first timers. Let me welcome them. Asomong, Derek. It's nice to have you here. I'm so sorry if I butchered that name. Thank you so much for joining. Dawson, yes, Mystery Coco, I see you. Thank you so much for joining. Mojid, I see you too. Please, let me welcome all the new guys in the house, all our new friends. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, he's my mentor. Imadia is my mentor. Yes, then Tringa official. Sorry, I couldn't read everything, but thank you so much for joining. Jeremiah, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Please, do you have private? Yes, I have a private. I have a private group. Junior, it's nice to have you here. Oh, you are new here too. Thank you so much for coming. Yes, I have a private mentorship where I train people on a personal level. L Kodik 1704. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, now Jeremiah, this is what you need to do. I have the Telegram channel link in the description below. Click on that Telegram channel link. You understand? And send me a message on Telegram so that we can discuss it better. Johnny, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Johnny. Thank you very much. You understand? So click that Telegram channel. Wow, really, that's cool. Like attending this mentorship class. Exactly, you understand? He's the OG, now. He's always the OG. Yes, Jeremiah. So click that Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram. Now, if you want to send me a message on Telegram, there's this tag called Barter-Pro mentorship. It's a blue tag like this under every message. Just click the blue tag. It will bring you to my chat room. Then we'll be able to chat about your mentorship, okay? Thank you so much, Jeremiah. I really appreciate. You understand? He's my mentor, and he's one of the best mentors out there, actually. So me too. I'm aspiring to be one of the best mentors too. So you can see the legacy being carried along now. So thank you so much. Yes, price is coming into this entry. Yes, we will take a trade if price comes into this entry. Let me check that other market. Okay, we can't take any trade here right now. Let's check another market that we've not marked. We still have some time, so we will be here for a while. We're just chilling, okay? We're chilling. Yes, we're chilling. So I'm looking for a very good market that we can take advantage of. Oh, we have a QM here. This is a beautiful. Oh my God, this is a beautiful QM. Come on. I think we missed the QM already. The QM is already playing out. Look at this. This is a beautiful QM. This is a beautiful QM. We missed it. Can you look at the entry? This is a beautiful one. Man, I missed it. Sometimes you can't overthink all these things sometimes. You just have to do your best. You can't overthink it sometimes. But let's check this QM. You understand? There's a thought breaker. Oh my God, everybody, Gem World has done it again. You understand? This is the reason why Gem World is the OG of this channel. You understand? Thank you so much for the 2000 Gem World. See, everybody Let me say thank you to Gem World. Gem World has been the OG of this channel, and she's always representing. Yes, yes. You see the regret after missing the QM. It's always very painful. Oh my God, Gem World is the OG. She has done it again. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Gem World. See, guys, anytime Gem World comes in, we have to recognize who. It's not easy to be an OG. Thank you, Gem World. I really appreciate that. She doesn't always like it when I sing her praises like this. She doesn't like it when I sing her praises, but I have to sing your praises. Yes, Gem World is the OG. See, it's people like Gem World that make these things easy like this. You understand? They just make life easy for all of us. Can you imagine? This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Gem World. God bless you for me and for all of us too. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? This QM has gone. Thank you so much. This QM has gone, so we don't need to sweat it. But it's very painful. Whitey, it's very painful to let this QM go like that. But just let it go, no problem. Let's check another market. We might find another QM. You understand? We might find another QM. I love these emojis. They are so nice. I love these emojis. They are so nice. Oh, let me check that. Hmm. Let me check that market. Okay, I think we can just hang out here. Oh, we missed this trade. We could have taken this trade. We could have taken this trade with the buyers. We have an evening star here. You see that same evening star we took? Okay, this was a where is it? We took one evening star. Okay, you see this same evening star trade we took here. That's the same trade here. Look at it. We have evening star. We have the buyers coming. Now you see the reason why the buyers came in. Let me go to lower time frame. I'll mark it for you quickly. See, it's not about just taking trades sometimes. It's about understanding. Sometimes if you see a trade like this, you can just go back and investigate what happened. You understand? See, we have a demand area down here as a lower time frame confirmation in S30. You can see this is it. Then this is another one. Let me show you. We have two. Okay, no, not this one. Let me mark it. Let me put a new one there. There's another one here. Look at it. Now let's mark this one again as a lower time frame entry. If we go back to M1, you see what I'm talking about. Hey Azo, it's nice to have you here. Why aren't you doing EMA strategy? There are a lot of strategies, you understand? So we have to stick to the ones we know. You understand? Look at this. Look at this. This is a beautiful one. Price came into this lower time frame supply at demand, and the buyers came in. You can see. So beautiful. Now you see, they are coming back down now, but I can bet to you that when they go back up, they are going to retrace from here. Why? Because you see, remember that decision points trade we marked. Immediately they touch this entry, they are going to retrace this entry here, and we even have a round number there. Look at this round number now. You can see we have it there. So immediately they cross and enter this place, we will take the trade. It will retrace and give us a winning trade. That's the scenario we're waiting for. Let's just keep an eye on it. Okay, let's keep an eye on it. Let me clear this market quickly. Okay, this is the price channel. It's giving us a price channel now. So we'll mark all the bars entry. I think they are going to break this price channel to the downside. But I don't know yet, so let's see. Now, let me tell you guys one thing quickly. You see, our balance is currently $162.38. Normally, if I was in a live trade session, I would have stopped. Yeah. Hey, Paul, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much, Paul. It's nice to have you here. We have a lot of new friends, guys. Guys, we're making new friends, though. Can you imagine? This is very nice, though. This is amazing. So you can see we're in a price channel here. Now, the buyers can come in if we have enough buy orders in the demand area. Thank you, Paul. I really appreciate it. You understand? If we have enough buy orders, then the buyers will come in and push the price to the upside. You understand? But you see, right here, we have a supply area. Let's mark the supply quickly before price gets there. Because I have a feeling that we will have a liquidity sweep to the downside. Yes, I'm fine. Hey, Robert, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yeah, Robert is one of our OGs too. So thank you so much for joining. How are you? I hope yes, I've been looking out for you all this while. Where have you been? It's nice to have you here. Yeah, Robert, it's nice to have you here. Robert is one of our OGs too. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, this is so amazing. Yes, we have two of our OGs in the house now, so it's nice to have you here, guys. Okay, we may have the buyer still coming, but I need to be sure, or at least have a. Okay, I don't know about this probability. Oh, you've been in the church. Wow, that's good. That's good. That's very very nice. I hope you're praying for us. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, so we have a supply area up here. If price comes into the supply, they may actually reject this price and push to the downside. Now we may, at the end of the day, we may also have a liquidity sweep to the downside, because you see, anytime you see market behave like this, at the end of the day, the sellers may just come and push very hard. Now you were asking about liquidity sweep the other time. You see, have you have you ever heard of maybe some crypto startups that they will build the price up, the price will be very high, then all of a sudden they will just pull the rug on everybody and everybody will panic sell. That's what you call a liquidity sweep. It happens a lot, and it may happen right now as we are talking. Look at it. Look at this. It may happen as we are talking right now. But you see, when it happens, this is where they are coming to. Let me mark it. The price is coming down here. You understand? This is where they are coming to. And down here, we have a demand area. So the buyers are waiting for them down here. The buyers are going to be waiting down here. It's not a fresh demand area, but you see, there are some buy orders there, and that might be enough to reject the price to the upside. So that's good. That's where our opportunity is going to be. Let me mark the supply area too, so that you can see it. So we have the supply up here, we have the demand down here, and I always tell you that it's demand and supply that moves the markets. So if price came from this supply, now they are coming to this demand. Immediately they get to the demand, now they are going to be start going up again. Hey Godwin, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed at all, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Why did I say that? See, this channel is full of information that especially new traders need. You understand? So if you are new here, I have a playlist called Binary Option for Beginners. It's in the playlist section. Binary Option for Beginners. I have 16 back-to-back videos there. Go and watch everything. It will give you the foundational knowledge you need. You understand? For binary options trading. Hey, Meroni, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. It's already played out. Oh, okay. I'm waiting for that pull to the downside. If it doesn't happen, then they're going to go up and they're going to come to the supply. So let's wait for it and see. Let's wait for it and see. Okay. You know what? I'll keep this one as okay. It's already a favorite. Oh, we missed this trade. Can you imagine? We've been waiting for this trade for long. Since the price was down here. We've been waiting for this. Oh, come on. Can you imagine? We missed the trade. Oh, Godwin, you're a beginner. Thank you so much for joining. See, guys, if you're a beginner and you don't have... Oh, I missed this trade. It's painful. I wanted to take this trade badly. Oh, gosh. Yes, you remember, Abu, you remember this trade. Oh, it's very, very painful because we've been waiting for it since. And look at it. It came to the entry. We would have taken the trade above this round number. You see, above this round number here, would have taken the trade and it would have just pulled back and give us a winning trade. Clean trade. clean. Let me see if we can still go with the sellers. If we have a gap up, I'll go with the sellers. No gap up. We're not going with the sellers. It's as simple as that. He pay you too. Moji said he paid me. Yeah, he paid me too. So he really paid me because I wanted to take that trade. But don't worry. Don't worry. See, when you are looking for high probability trades, there are some trades you are going to miss. So you have to get like prepare your mind to miss certain trades. Okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. Um, it's, I was say pay me. Yes. Oh, thank you, Godwin, for subscribing. Guys, if you like to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There's so much value here. Now, for all the beginners in the house, please listen carefully. If you don't have an account yet, I have the broker link, like the broker we're currently using right now. It's called Pocket Option. The link is in the description below. Click the link. Just click the link. It will take you to the platform. Register with your email. You understand, and do your verification. Make sure everything's finished. Thank you so much, Robert. Yes, yes, it's so powerful. Yeah, Kidex 2380. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate that. Yes, exactly. So the thing there is, the link is in the description below. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. So what you need to do is click on the broker link. It will take you to the platform. Now, when you get to the platform, register and do your verification. Samo, it's nice to have you here. Oh, Samo Niger, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So at the end of the day, once you get to the platform, register with your email and do your verification. Come back to this YouTube page. You understand? Once you're in this YouTube page, go to the playlist section. The playlist section is there. Just click the playlist section, and once you're in the playlist section, look for binary option for beginners. Please listen carefully. It's called binary option for beginners. I have 16 videos inside that playlist. Watch everything. You get all the foundational knowledge you need, and with your demo account, you'll be able to practice. Now you see, after your practice, now if you are ready to now really enter the market, this is what you do before you enter the market. I have another playlist called emo bodies 175. Thank you so much for joining. Verification, you were talking about verification. I couldn't read the message. Please resend the message or send a dot. Let me read your message quickly. You understand? So all you need to do is to, okay, verification with deposits and withdrawal takes too long. Now you see, if you use the link in the set, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Now if you use the link in the description below, your withdrawals will not take long. I can assure you that. Yes, it's a shorty. You understand? Now if you don't use the link in the description below, you understand, your withdrawals will take a while. It is it's based, this one is based on experience. I've seen it happen many times. So that's the reason why I'm saying, if you are new here, if you're a beginner, you understand. Elliot, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. You understand? How long what does how long mean? Send us your link. Yeah, the link is in the description, like, of this video, this particular video you are watching. If you click the description, right, see the description is somewhere here, like that, you see that three dot thing, icon thing, click on it, you see the description there. Yes, for withdrawal to appear. Now if you use my link in the description and you register, when you want to make your withdrawal, it should take, if you are using crypto should take about maybe anything between 30 minutes to 1 hour. You understand? But if you use bank this thing, if you use a bank if you use bank transfer, you know, like direct bank withdrawal, it may take like 2 to 3 business days. But I think sometimes it depends on the kind of bank you are using. But I personally would advise people to use crypto. Is better. Use crypto withdrawal. You understand? Sometimes anything between 30 minutes to an hour, you've gotten it already. You get. Now if you use crypto and you don't use the link, it may take a little bit, about 2 hours, 3 hours. Sometimes it takes longer. You understand? And I guess the reason why it takes longer is because they don't have any reference of you. So they need to know who you are first before they can release your money to you. You understand? Oh, no problem. I've been showing trading strategies since, you understand, but I need to like explain to all the beginners. I know that all the experts in the house are a little bit impatient. You understand, but we need to cater to the beginners too. Yeah, you understand. So that's the reason why I'm taking my time to explain things to them. You understand. So if you have any other question, put in the comment section. I would answer you. Okay. Now let's continue. Um. Yes, yes, we'll do full analysis, no problem. We can't take this trade again right here. The trade we wanted to take, actually, okay, let me explain that trade we wanted to take, so that at least even if we miss the trade, it's good for you to understand why we wanted to take the trade back then. You see, I started with this area the other time. I told you that we have this area where it's an area of support initially. You can see price came here, it got like price came here, rejected, rejected, rejected. They got rejected many times, and eventually price broke. The sellers broke this level, and they came down all the way here. You understand? They ranged for a while and they started coming back up. You see, they were down here, we went to the lower time frame, because you see, anytime you see a breakout like this, there's a decision point that caused the breakout. So what we did, we went to the lower time frame. We are currently in M1, so we go to S30 to check where the decision point is. You understand? So we'll go down to the lower time frame to check where the decision point is, and we found it here. Look at this engulf like candle. You can see it. We marked it and we went back to M1. You see, anytime you see an entry that is an engulf, I told you it's very strong. And the probability of an entry that is an engulf is about 80%. It means if you keep taking those kind of trades 10 times, you are more likely to win 8 times and lose just 2 times. Yes, that's 80% assurance. That's a lot of probability right there. So what do? We marked this entry and we waited. But because we're not in the market, price came, look at this. Price came back into that entry. You can see price came into this entry. We would have taken the trade right above this roundabout, and price would have pulled back and given us a winning trade, just like that. Sorry, I missed that last message. Yeah, but no problem. If you can resend it, I'll read it. Okay, we can have a red candle here. Let's see. No, no, no. No gap up. So I the probability of us going with the sellers here is not high. But what I would do is I will wait a little bit for margin of safety, then I'll take the trade. Hey, Born Lucky, thank you so much for joining. Can you please enter a trade? Show how manage. I think explanation be plenty. Yes, you guys are very, very impatient, but no problem. You understand? You can't just take your trades anyhow. You need to have a very good entry first before you take trades. You get it? So I understand your impatience, but at the same time, you understand, I'm the one that knows when I'm going to enter the trade. Look at this now. If we had entered with the sellers, then the buyers comes in, we lose. What's the point of losing? You understand? When you are just impatient for being impatient sake. The best thing you can do is to be patient and wait for your very good trade. Look at this. We could have entered with the sellers and the buyers would have come in and would have lost this trade. So instead of doing this now, you understand, you look for the best entries. That's what we do. We look for the best entries in the market. Paul, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. This is not a place to like go with either the buyers or the sellers. So we need to look for a very good entry first before we take our trades. You understand? We are not just here to just take trades. We're here to take the best or high probability trades. That's why we're here. You understand? So we have an entry up here right now. If price comes here, we can take the trade. But if price doesn't come here, we don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. You wait. In fact, you wait forever until you see your entry. Yes. That's what my mentor used to say. My mentor used to say, you have to wait forever. If it takes forever for your entry to happen, you wait for it. You don't take random trades. You understand? Hmm. So that's the way it is. Godwin, thank you so much. Yes. Now, let me cater to Godwin quickly, and any other person who is new and you are interested in learning, learning with me one on one. Now, if you are interested in one on one mentorship, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, you need to click the Telegram channel link in the description below, and just click the Telegram channel link. Send me a message on Telegram. You understand? And I'll be there, you understand, to reply you. You understand? We'll discuss about your mentorship, how much it's going to be, and I'll give you all the details, everything together. I'm going to give you all the details. So all you need to do, you understand, click the Telegram channel link and send me a message on Telegram. You understand? And we will discuss the rest. Now, if you need more information or you want to watch my live trade sessions, I have a playlist in the description, in the playlist section in the on the YouTube channel. It's called Live Trade Sessions. Click on it. All my live trade sessions are there. You can go and watch it free of charge. You understand? And all the strategies, I've explained everything in those videos. So we're waiting for this entry now. If price comes into this entry, we'll take it. We'll go with the sellers. That's a very big challenge, but you can do it actually. All you need to do is to take good trades. If you can take good trades, you can do it. Okay. If you can take very good trades, you can do it. So there's nothing impossible in this market. Anything is possible in this market. I'm telling you. But you have to know what you are doing first. That's the most important thing. Yes. Either demo or real life. It doesn't matter. Or real trade. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I can tell you for a fact. You can do it. That's very true. Yes. Wow. 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 Yes. It's good to be patient actually. Oh, can we go with this? We can go with the sellers. Let's go with the sellers. But I should have been patient and wait. Okay, you know what? If price goes up a little bit, I'll go with the sellers. I have an entry up here. I'm expecting the sellers to come in. You see, this is how we take our trades. This is how we take our trades. This is how we take our trades, guys. You've been waiting for me to take a trade since I know. But we cannot take a trade if it's not going to give us high probability of winning. You understand? That's the difference between us and all those people that will just take trades for entertainment purpose. You understand? We don't have time for entertainment right here. Yeah, we have time for lessons, like for teaching ourselves. I'm expecting a red candle, but why is it pushing to the upside? Yes. Uh-huh. You see, that's a winning trade. You understand? You have to be patient, guys. See, if you join the Barter-Pro mentorship, I will teach you how to be patient. It's not easy, but you can do it. Yeah, Born Lucky, thank you so much. Elliot, oh my God, I've deposited to you last week. And, oh, so please, Elliot, resend the message. I couldn't read everything. You said you loaded $250 last week, and I got scared after 50 loss, withdrew. It's annoying because I couldn't read everything. That's a very long message. But no, please, Elliot, send me a dot again. I want to finish reading that message. Okay. You were saying you were afraid and you withdrew your money. Now you see, you made a smart choice actually by withdrawing your money. Okay, I've sent you message. Okay, no worries, Godwin. I'll reply you after this class. Okay. Now the thing there is, Elliot, this is it. See, you made a very smart choice by withdrawing your money. You know why? You need to have the right knowledge first. See, you see that money, you can grow it to 10x, you can go it to 20x. But first, you need to understand what you are doing. That's the most important thing. You understand? So keep the money first. Come back, learn first. You see, when you are ready, you will know. Because it will get to a point where when you get to a certain level in your practice sessions, you will know that you are ready, that you can load an amount. And funny enough, let me not give you the gist. You don't need big amounts to actually make a lot of money. You understand? You don't need big amount to make a lot of money. You understand? If you have 200, you understand? You can divide it into four parts. Start with 50. You see, with that 50, you can build it up to another 200. Then make withdrawals again and start again like that. That's how it is. You understand? So, but you need to know what you are doing first. Yes, that knowledge is very important. Once you know what you are doing, like I said, if you take good trades, the money is just a side effect. It will happen on its own. Okay, so don't be discouraged, don't be afraid. It's normal, it's okay. What you did is a very 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 good thing. You understand? It's a very smart thing. When you realize that, okay, you are not ready for this, you pull back a little bit. It's very good. It's a smart choice. But now, and the next smart choice is to learn and understand. Okay. Hey Emmanuel, thank you so much for joining. Ngabi, and oh, that sounds or any I have a feeling it's probably one African country, but I like that name. It sounds very nice, very catchy name. Okay, let's look for. Okay, let's check that market we're looking at the other time. Okay, you see, price came here and they broke. Look at this now. They broke the level. We probably would have lost this trade because I would have taken this trade and I would have it would have been a losing trade. But no problem. Oh, Zambia. Yes, yes. I knew it was one African. It's not Rwanda. It's Zambia. Oh, Bollock is very funny. Okay. Let me see. We still have some minutes left. Okay. We still have some minutes. Let's see. Let's see if we can find a good trade. Let's look for an. You know what? Let's check another market that we've not checked before. Let's check this crypto side. So sometimes I don't check this crypto side because of the me. I normally use $3 every. Yes, you understand. You can imagine from $3 to 300. You see? Can you imagine in a day? So $3 to $300. Can you imagine? Yes, trade need mentorship. Thank you so much, Josh. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Josh. This exchange is called Pocket Option, and the link is in the description below. You understand? So it's a platform. It's called Pocket Option. The platform link is in the description below. The broker we're using. So I put the broker link. You see there. It's called broker link. Just click on it and just click on the broker link. It will take you straight to the platform where you can register and get a free demo account. Okay, so you can do that. So thank you so much for that. Let's check. The reason why I don't come on crypto sometimes is because you see the currency pairs are very volatile. So sometimes the cryptos they don't just move well. Sometimes they don't move well at all. Sometimes so it's you have to wait, and when they move sometimes it's just yeah, it requires sacrifice. Yes, God give. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Thank you very much, Robert. God bless you too. Thank you so much. You see, let me give you one fun fact today, Robert. Hey Josh, I can see the link. The broker link is no, it's not for crypto. It's for pocket option. If you click the broker link, it will take you to the platform. You understand? It's called pocket option. You understand? So you just click on the broker link. When you click on it, it will take you to the platform. You understand? You can register with and get a free demo account. Robert, let me tell you something. You see, today, if you hear my voice, it's as if I sound a little bit tired. Actually, now I could have said I'm tired. I cannot do tonight. I cannot do tonight live. But one thing I realized is that see, it is not about me. You understand? It is not just about me. Well, see, I know there are a lot of people who are waiting on this. They need this. You understand? For some of them, their life depend on it, and because of that, I have to find a way. Either it's convenient for me or not to show up for you guys because I know that if you guys know that I'm available, you will show up too. Yes, that is how it is. You understand? So there's a little bit of sacrifice needed too. on my own side, and I would do everything I can on my own side. Now, the only time I may not be able to come live is probably when work is overwhelming. Very soon now we'll resume normal life. And work may be too much when the projects begin to roll in. But the thing is, I always do my best to, like, on the Telegram channel, to send a message, let everybody know. If I took a trade, I can take a screenshot, send it to you, just to keep everybody on their toes. You understand? Because sometimes some people need encouragement. Yes, they need the encouragement. So they can, like, they've not gotten to that level of maturity where they can run on their own. That's why we need each other. That's why we need to help each other. That's why you see all these connections we are making now. Like, we're vibing off of each other. You understand? Like, when all of you chat among each other, it makes sense. That's what a community does. You get the gist, and that's what you call community building, basically. So most of the time when we meet ourselves in the comment section and we just chat, we exchange pleasantries. It's part of it. We encourage each other. Somebody might say that I have some loss today. Somebody might encourage everybody like that, like that. Yes, Godwin, I thank you for that. I love that. So we need all the encouragement. We can encourage each other like that. We need everything together. That's what community building is all about. Yes, that bridge. Yes, to land on the. Oh God, Robert, thank you so much for that. I like the way you put it. I like the way you put it. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate. Yes, thank you, Abu. God bless you too. You understand? Let's find it. I've not seen a very good market yet. Oh, we missed this market. Come on, we have a a QM here. Let's check. Let's thank God price has not come to the entry yet. Let's check the QM. Oh, fine, fantastic. We have the engulf. Okay, you know what? Let's check for the entry. Oh, okay, that's good. There's an S15 entry. Let's mark it. Maybe okay, it's not fresh, but let's mark it still. Let's mark it. Okay, I think they touched the entry already. Let's check S10. There's no entry S10. Let's check S5. Okay, there's an entry in S5. That's good. Sorry, I'm not reading your message yet. I'm coming. I'll read. Just any message you see I did not read, resend it, please. Please resend it. You see, trading requires mentorship. You understand? It's because it's just like when you say being a surgeon requires mentorship. You understand? It requires mentorship. Why? Because it's not a journey you can just embark on your own. We are going with the sellers after this. I don't have time to mark everything, but I'm going to mark it after price enters here. I'm going to take the trade to the downside. It seems like a momentum, but it's a weak momentum. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you know what? Let's take one here. We have fifth candle theory. If price goes up here, I'm going to take one more. I'm expecting a pullback. Yes. We have fifth candle theory, and we have QM entry. But you see, I was actually waiting for price to come in. I've not finished marking everything. We have 24 seconds left. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for the trade. These buyers are very stubborn, but I believe the sellers will be able to hold them back. We have 10 seconds. Please stay down. Don't jump. Come on now. Don't worry. We'll take another trade here. Let's go. Now, you see this entry up here now is a short. You understand? So let me mark everything. I've taken the trade now. Like the real trade we should take actually. Let's mark this. I'll mark everything, then we will. Sorry if I miss your trade. If I miss your message, it's because I'm trying to quickly do this. Oh no, nah. What's happening? We should have a pullback. Come on. Okay, I think this momentum wants to just break everything for us. Okay. I think probably the buyers have made up their mind to break this level. but no problem. It's still a good trade, actually. It's a good trade. I will tell you that. Okay, no problem. You know what? Let's go with the sellers again. I still believe the sellers will come in this time around. I'm upping the stakes. Let me take one more here. Now it's going to be very disastrous if we don't have the red candle now, but I'm expecting the red candle, and I'll tell you why I took this trade the way I took it. Let's just wait for the results. I'm expecting a red candle. Everything points to having a red candle now, but no problem. Let's just see. Everything points to having a red candle, and I'll tell you why. The sellers are really trying to come in, but these buyers are very stubborn, but no problem. And I'll tell you why I took this trade like this. Now, you see, we have this candle here, and it's a QM area. Yes, yes, they are weak. You see, look at the, I was expecting the sellers. You see, now look at this. I was expecting the sellers. I thought they would come in on this candle because we have a reversal sign here, and we have a gap up. You understand? So I was expecting the sellers to come in now. Now it's now they're coming in. Hey Meroni, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh yes. Oh you. Sorry, I couldn't read that message. Please resend it. So look at this now. I was expecting the sellers to come in earlier than now, but now this is the time now they are pushing. You understand? Now look at this. We have a QM here, and we have the QM entry. Normally, what should happen most of the time is that when price enters the QM area, they will click immediately. They enter, we enter the trade, and they put to the downside. And look at this. We have this seller's entry, this seller's activity happen in the market. But look at this. Look at this. You see this particular candle, this one I'm circling around, is a reversal sign. Anytime you see this kind of candle, you understand? And look at this. We had it twice. So the first time we had it here and we had the gap up, I was expecting that, okay, fine, we should have the sellers coming now to give us the red candle. They did not happen. And the next one now, that was when the red candle now happened. But it's not a problem. And I have a feeling that these sellers are eventually going to push to the downside, just like they did here. So they are kind of ranging now, trying to like make a decision if they should actually break to the downside or not. So they finally made a decision now. So, but all the trades we took, they were very good trades, but the timing was just bad, not in our favor. Yes, we have a common point of rejection there, but I probably won't even take this common point of rejection because they may break either to the upside or to the downside. Look at this. This is the common point of rejection. So they may break to the downside or they may break to the upside. You understand? But they've made a decision now to break. I was seeing the sellers' activity. I knew the sellers wanted to come in, but I guess the buyers and sellers, they were just doing ping pong. They were just doing ping pong here. Oh, Ron, 486. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay. No, we don't have stop loss here. 2 to 5 minutes is the best. Yes, yes. Sometimes you can use 1 minute. You can use 5 minutes. You understand? So let's look for another market. I'll keep an eye on that market, but let's check the previous market that we marked. The sellers have taken over this market, though they are beginning to like range here, but I'm not going to touch that market for now. I'm not going to. Okay, we can go with the buyers now. Let's see. I think we can go with the buyers. Let me check something quickly. We should be able to go. Okay, fine. We should be able to go with the buyers. I've seen something I'm looking for. Down here, right here. We have a demand down here in lower time frame. So if price comes down here, we can go with the buyers. We can go with the buyers, but we will need margin of safety. Now we have gap up in favor of the sellers. We cannot go with the buyers again. But you know what? I'll just take one trade. The probability of the buyers has been reduced to like maybe 60%. But I'm still going to go with the buyers. But it needs to come down here first before we take the trade. If it doesn't come down to that entry, we're not going to take the trade. Because that entry will increase our probability of winning the trade. You see this gap up is in favor of the sellers. That's why I need extra confirmation to take the trade. So if that confirmation doesn't happen, we're not taking the trade. It's as simple as that. Yes, guys, I wanted to say something quickly. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Yes, look for higher high, higher low. Yes, you're very correct. Okay, we missed out on this trade, but it's a very good reason for missing out because we cannot take that trade without proper confirmation. You understand? We cannot take that trade if we don't have enough confirmation. I think we can go with the buyers now. Let me see. We may have a liquidity sweep here, and the sellers are aggressive now. Unless, see, the only reason that will make me take this trade now is if we have a gap down and price comes down here. No, not this one. If price comes down here, we have a demand area here, and it was this demand area that pushed the price up the first time. So if price comes back into that entry, we can take the trade, but if not, we will not take it. Yes, I want a gap down, please, so that we can go with the buyers. It's giving us an exhaustion candle. If it goes down again, I'll take one more. I'm expecting a green candle. So let's hope for the best because we have multiple demand area down here. We have multiple demand area down here. There's one demand area here. There's another one here. So I'm expecting the buyers to come in without hesitation here. So, hey, Papa T, Papa Trife, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Let me mark the demand area quickly and go back to the charts. Yes, this is what I'm expecting. I actually expect them to be stronger, but either they are strong or not, let them just give us a green candle. Please don't jump down. Come on now. In the last 10 seconds, and in the last 10 seconds, we're up. How many, this thing? Oh, okay. Let me see if we can go with the buyers again. No, I won't go with the buyers again. We have a demand area down here, but I guess the buyers they've been taken out. Most of the buyers have been taken out already, but no problem. Let's okay. We still have one more trick up our sleeve, but it's going to be a very, very tricky one. This common point of rejection. Oh, okay. Price is already reacting from there. You see, after this common point of rejection, but you see, this is already momentum. We will need a lot of confirmation if we need to go with the buyers, and if we don't, we are not going. You see, we have a gap down. Can we go? You know what? I feel a little bit indecisive because of this crazy momentum, but we have a gap down, and we've touched that common point of rejection down here. So I feel more like I really want to go with the buyers now, but it's already late. Yes, I expected that the buyers would come in, but no problem. There are some times when you are not sure. When you are not sure, just don't do anything. Don't take any trade. It's the best thing you can do for yourself. You're very correct, Robert. You understand? It may be a fake gap. It may be a bad gap. You understand? Yes. But no problem. If we don't take that trade, we will find another very good trade to take. Okay, we have another gap up in favor of the sellers. I don't think we should go with the buyers. The sellers may come in anytime. Yeah, because of the retracements. We have a gap up in favor of the sellers. Okay, to come to green, you know what? Let's follow Robert. He might actually he might actually be right about this because of the retracements. Because of the retracement actually, but usually I wouldn't go with the sellers and with the buyers when I have a gap up. So let's see. Okay, that was break even. What I did there was I entered when market entered inside this demand area. I think they're going to break to the downside, so they've made up their mind. But let me check if we have any reason to go against them. There's no reason to go against them. We may have a very strong push to the downside. You see, after this candle, now I'm going to go with the sellers. I'm going to follow the momentum to the downside. Oh, that retracement was the perfect one. Okay. I will go with the sellers again because we may have a very strong push to the downside. They may just continue to the downside. Or better still, I can just find another, what do you call it? I can just find another very good. You see, it's giving us a Marabuzu candle. That's okay. That's not a Marabuzu candle. You know what? Let's go with the sellers. Now, you see, the reason why I'm going with the sellers here is not a very strong reason. You understand? So the probability of the sellers is not very strong like that. You understand? Sometimes when you see like very strong either bearish or bullish candle, it doesn't mean the market will continue going in that direction. No, it doesn't. It simply just means that for that period, the markets have decided to go in that direction until they see another reason to go otherwise. You can see now. So this now was a you will call it a liquidity sweep to the downside. So they came to sweep the rest of the buyers. You can see the rest of the buyers here. And this is a QM. So that's the reason why these buyers are coming in now. But no problem. Let me check another market that will have a... Okay. Okay, okay. This is that entry we marked the other time. It was a very good entry. Don't worry, we're going to find a very good trade. We have a QM here. I don't know if price will come back to this QM, but let's mark it. If we have an entry, we will take the trade. Let's check S3. Oh my god. Oh, M3, I mean. That angle was... Wait, let me check it again. Am I seeing double? Okay, it's an angle, but that angle looks... Okay, this is a better one. Let's check S30. We have a very beautiful entry here. If price comes down here, we will take this trade. I will keep this market as a favorite so that we can take this trade. So you see, guys, you may not see your trade in all the markets. You may keep checking the market and you may not see your trades. Yes, you're correct. The timing is key actually. But eventually, if you keep looking for a very like high probability trades, you will find your entry. Okay, let's mark this one now and wait for it. I don't know how long we're going to wait for it, but like I always say, we're going to wait forever. I know we don't have time to wait forever, but it's just the way it is. So over here right now, let me mark this. We'll mark this as a lower time frame entry. Then we'll mark this other one too as another lower time frame entry. Oh, sorry, I can't see that message. Oh, that message is very long. Okay, fine. So we have our entry down here. Price is going up, no problem. We cannot take this trade, guys. You see, we have a supply here, but we cannot trade this supply because this is a momentum coming into this supply. Now, the supply may stop it and it may not stop it, but we are not going to take the trade against the supply. You understand? We are not going to do that. But we'll keep this market as a favorite. We'll keep it as a favorite. Let's check out the markets in our favorite and see. These ones have played out, so let's clear it. Okay, on the bearish engulfing candle demand. Okay, you were saying something about the demand at the bearish engulfing candles. Hmm. Okay. We may have a liquidity sweep to the upside here. This market has been ranging for a while. We cannot take this trade again. And it looks as if it wants to break to the upside. Now, at even we have a doji in the middle of this range. I would have gone with the sellers here, but no problem. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth candle theory is playing out here. Okay. Oh, that market is still ranging here. The buyers and the sellers, they haven't made up their mind yet. No problem. Let me clear this. Taking this trade is a bad idea. Yes, we have sellers. We have sellers here, but okay. Can we go with the buyers now? If we have a gap down, and okay, fine. I was expecting price to break this previous swing. If we have a gap down, we can go with the buyers. Let's go with the buyers. Why is it frozen? I'm expecting the green candle. And I'll tell you why. Number one, we have evening star pattern. We have uptrend, so that's another reason. And I'm expecting those buyers to be the reason why we will have this green candle. So let's see. There's a lot of tug of war between the buyers and sellers, but we should have this green candle. I hope they don't jump down. Good. Good. So now you see we have this evening star pattern, and we know that evening star pattern can give retracement, but we also have gap down. in favor of the buyers. So that's two. Number three is that we have uptrend. So that's three. Then we have some look at this demand area I was talking about now. You can see the buyers reacting from that area. Yes, those are the reasons why we go with the buyers. You understand? And it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Let me see. Okay. I'm out of time right now, but guys, thank you so much for joining today. You see, let's make this happen again tomorrow. By God's grace, I should be back in about 12 hours. You get the gist. In about 12 hours, we should be back. We'll take another. It's going to be fun, just like today. So I really enjoyed you, you guys' company. You understand? So thank you so much, Robert, Mujid. Yes, I don't want to start mentioning everybody's name. You understand? But I definitely will mention Gem what's name. You understand? She's the OG of the channel, so you guys cannot contest that. You understand? Yes. If you want to support the channel, please go ahead and use. It doesn't have to be during the live. You can do it anytime. Okay. Just come to the comment section. That dollar sign by the right hand side of the comment section is the one I'm talking about. Just click on it. You understand, and support the channel. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, I really appreciate you guys. Um by God's grace, we'll be back here again in 12 hours. You understand? I hope the market would have been all right then so that we can take amazing trades. Very soon, we're going to go live, like in on real accounts. You understand? But I'm going to announce it ahead on the Telegram channel. So if you are here to join the Telegram channel, go ahead and click the Telegram channel link right now. Go and join. You understand? Because that's where I do all the announcements. If you are here to subscribe, go ahead and click subscribe button right now so that when we come online, and enable your notification too, so that when we come online, you'll be the first set of people that YouTube would tell that okay, we are online right now. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Just click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining. Um, so by God's grace, we'll be back in about 12 hours. If you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the Telegram channel link and send me a message now. Right after this class, I'm going to be inside that. I'm going to be inside the. Yes, I'm going to be inside in the Telegram channel um private chats. So if you want to send me a message on Telegram channel, just click that Barter-Pro mentorship tag and it will bring you to my private chat room where we can discuss about your mentorship. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.